of all, it smells like cigarettes.
Imagine me being in class, like, hey guys, so today's panty line.
Oh, girl.
You know how your clothes be so tight, it looks like you got on a white bra. Girl, it looks like I'm literally wearing a white bra already.
I look like I'm gonna go to New Orleans and do New Orleans bounce. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know if I should say hi amors or hola amors because like I don't know, I don't have a nickname for my channel yet. So I guess you could say amors because it's like love, like hi loves type thing. I don't know, girl. But today is the spring season. Well, it will be tomorrow. So today's a try on haul featuring Missguided. I've been seeing a lot of people overhype Missguided. I've been seeing a lot of Missguided try on hauls. Is it legit? All of that stuff. So we're gonna see. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away 4 gift cards to 4 people. These are fashion gift cards like Forever 21. I'm going to do Bath and Body Works or either Victoria's Secret and Sephora or Ulta, and then H&M. So that's 4. I think that's 4. Forever 21, H&M, Sephora, and Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works. I don't know. Comment below which 4 should I give away. But they're going to be given away, okay? So, alright, so first from Missguided. I bought some dresses and stuff for maybe my birthday or just the spring season to do like some outfit ideas or lookbooks or just to look cute and give me a couple husbands this year, girl. It's been a long time since I've been married. It's been like, what, 6 years? So, the first item, I'm gonna post all of the details in the description box. So this is a khaki short sleeve tie waist in color khaki. Now don't you hate, first of all, what we're not gonna do, honey, is play games. We're not gonna play color wheel games, girl. This is 6th grade art. They taught me in 6th grade in art class in 2001 or something like that, girl, that this is green on the color spectrum. Now this is most definitely a secondary color. I mean, for you art majors out there, is that the T or no? This is not a primary color. Khaki is like a tertiary color. I think khaki is a mixture of green and white. You get khaki. Girl, bye, they tried it. But anyway, this is very cute. I love olive. I wish that it had a 3/4 sleeve because I hate wearing my elbows out because they're not like perfectly, like I have old bicycle scars from when I used to be a little boy and fall on my bike and stuff. So I hate that, but I'm gonna see how it fits. The material feels pretty, it's light and airy, but it's not too cheap. It's basically like a polyester / cotton. Yes, this is like tight, honey, real tight. Not Ross tight, but it's like when I gain weight, it goes here. So it's gonna be like out here, and the dress is gonna be like, woo. So this is a US 4. They need to stop it because this is a stretchy dress. I feel like this needs to be a 2. This feels like a 2. If you wear a 2, get a size 4. If you wear a 4, then get a size 6. I should have got a 6. A 6, but I like the fit up here. I love when my dresses fit tight at the top, but I hate it. Like, I wish it was a little bit more flowy. Like, imagine me being in class, like, hey guys, you know, so today's panty line. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is too much. Ugh, but it's cute though. So the next item is, this is a roll neck long sleeve midi dress. I think that one was a midi dress also. I like to have nice wholesome dresses for church, and then or I can go to dinner afterwards or go to a birthday party or whatever and still slay and give me a husband. So this is like definitely a jersey cotton material or / rayon, and it is really cute, honey. This is cute for the summer. Like I said, it's midi length, and it has, I don't think this is a long sleeve. Yes, it is. I thought this was like 3/4, but yeah, it's definitely long sleeve, and it has like a mini turtleneck choker. Mini, it's not really turtleneck, but I mean, it rains and it gets cold in the spring and the summer sometimes, so this is just what I like. This is gonna be cute with like a leather jacket or a really light fake leather jacket. A really light leather jacket. just the style, or you know, hit an Instagram picture or something like that. I need to work on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram so I can promote some of these little clothes, or just look cute for the, you know, for the nice little sanctified holy women, so whatever, looking modest. Okay, and plus you guys know, in the school building that I'm probably gonna work in, all of my buildings have always been cold, and I'm a biology teacher, so I teach science also, so even the science classes are super cold, and especially biology classes, so I tend to wear long sleeves in the summer. Girl, you know how your clothes be so tight, it looks like you got on a white bra. Girl, it looks like I'm literally wearing a white bra already. This is cute though, I like it. I look like I've been to jail and then came out, slide. You know, true story, you know. But I mean, this is a 4, you guys. I need to exchange these. I'm glad I didn't take the tags off because I need a 6. Like, it's too fit, too tight, bro. I can't even breathe. And I haven't even gained on my weight yet, bro. Like, I don't know. I feel like this is cute though. I like it. I like it, girl. Let me get some husbands, girl. Give me a couple of this. But I just feel like I'm so mad at the sizes. Like, I'm gonna take these back and get a 6, definitely. Okay, so this is what it would look like at work. This is what I would look like at work with a white bra. Okay, we're gonna ignore that part. Yeah, it's still classy based. With heels and all that stuff on it, it'd be cute. But I wish it had one here. If it had one here, it would be cuter. But this is a suit jacket that I got from JCPenney's. It actually has a bottom, but I like to keep mine open because I like to twist and shout. I'm just playing. I like to be all around and stuff like that. So I think it still looks cute, but it's too tight, baby. Too tight, too tight, too tight. And with this epitome that I'm taking to gain weight, I don't know if the weight, I'm pretty sure the weight is gonna go all here. That's where it went to, because I had this back fat and rolls and stuff. I didn't have all of that going on. You see them? Okay, so this is another, what is this? This is a mustard long sleeve crew neck midi dress. Okay, so that's what it is. Crew neck is like this. Okay, I'm tripping. I didn't even go to fashion school, but I've been designing and creating my own clothes since like 2012. So I know a lot about fabrics, like a lot, through trial and error. So this is just like a basic t-shirt dress, to be honest, a long t-shirt dress. This is exactly how it's probably going to fit. A nice little pencil midi length dress, the little hip thing going on. You see that little hip right there? I was like, girl, I'm trying to fill it out, girl. This is, first of all, I smell like cigarettes. Girl, who been smoking in the factory over in Manchester? You know them London folks love to smoke. Okay, this is cute, but it's just too tight. Like, all this is showing. All this, you know. All this is showing. So I'm taking back, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm taking back all these items except for, I think, the skirt. We're gonna try the skirt next. But it's cute. Like I said, you need to wear the appropriate bra and panties. This is a cute spring color with a nice jacket. And most churches are cold, to be honest, also. Next is this skirt. Oh my gosh, it's a suede skirt. Super cute. This is of course it's faux suede. You know, I don't have them top dollars yet to be wearing real suede. And to be honest, I prefer faux suede because it lasts just as long and I can save some coin and eat good while some of y'all going broke buying all these clothes, but you can't afford to eat, girl. So, this is the Anna Fox, I did not say Fox, Anna faux suede midi skirt. So I really wanted to get something mauve and springish and summer, because I wear my clothes all year longer. In the winter, I'm gonna be slaying with this on too. The fall, oh, I can't wait for the fall. Bruh, is my lip gloss still on? Hold on, let me look through the little Missguided thing right here. So anyway, it's a little wrinkled. Comment below if you know how to get wrinkles out of like faux suede and suede materials, because I don't know. This is a skirt. It is faux suede. It is a little stretchy, as you can see here. This is a very nice skirt. I really love it. I love the fabric, but I feel like it's still too tight, especially around here. Like, my waist is still small, but it's like, I want room because, like I said, I'm planning on gaining at least 10 more pounds, and I really want to keep this skirt. So, it's a nice modest length. Even high-waisted, it still comes down to past your knees, and the split is not bad either. This is an over frill shoulder they spelled shoulder wrong. Midi dress. So this is a classy white dress that I want to wear for when it's like Pentecost Sunday or white, all white Sunday, like basically when we do communion. So I'm gonna be very careful with this because I always mess up my whites. So this is so cute. So this is a pencil skirt, but this is the frill. Like, you see it? It's on the back side and it's on the front side. Now I hate that it's like short sleeved, but that's fine because it comes like over the top. It's so cute. I don't even think I want to try this on because I feel like in my soul, y'all, in my spirit, it's gonna get dirty. I'm about to wash my whites tonight, so I don't know. We're gonna try it on really quickly. Now this is definitely, this reminds me of a jersey knit type of material, but it feels cotton also. It's definitely stretchy. Now I'm gonna tell you straight up, it does have a split, but it's like a very modest split. Now this is a cheap, not cheap, but like this is a very thin dress. Not like very thin, but you're gonna need white panties and a slip, or you could wear a thong. Yes, but yes, be careful with that because you don't want to be in a church shaking for the Lord and your booty is everywhere. You're no man. So that's it for Missguided. My thoughts on Missguided: they do have the returns. And what is this? Hair vitamins, girl, no man. Now, their delivery was on point. I paid $6 or $9. I paid $9 for express shipping and it came within like 2 to 3 days from UK, from Manchester. That's impeccable. Now, the regular shipping is I think like 5 to 7 days or maybe up to 10 days, but I think it's $6. So I just went ahead and paid the $9 because that's the cheapest I've ever paid for shipping for clothes like that. Honestly, they have pretty good clothes for their prices. Now, I would not pay $50 for that dress. Now, with the coupons, they're definitely worth it. So I haven't bought any higher end items from their site, so I don't know. I wanted to get the Carly Bell, some of her dresses, but they were sold out, so, or discontinued, so yeah. But overall, I have a great experience with Missguided. I think it is legit, definitely. And they were very prompt with their service and sending me the items. So anyway, that's pretty much it. All of these items were cute. I cannot wait to style these items. Comment below if you guys want me to do spring outfit ideas and a work office lookbook. Those two honestly are pretty much coming soon if I have time before I move. But thank you guys for watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video because the more thumbs up I get, the higher I will rank and people will see my video. And comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out my previous videos and hauls and see you in my next one.